If you're thinking about updating your iPhone to iOS 27, don't do it just yet. Because in this video, I'm going to show you everything you should know before installing iOS 27, including the biggest new features, the possible downsides, and whether it's actually worth updating right now. So stay until the end because this information could save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that iOS 27 brings some exciting improvements. Apple has focused on making the iPhone smarter, faster, and more personalized. You'll find improvements to Siri better privacy control, new customization options, and performance enhancements throughout the system. However, there's something many users forget if you're planning to install an early version of iOS 27, such as a beta release. You should expect bugs. Beta software is designed for testing, not for everyday use. That means you could experience things like apps crashing, unexpected battery drain, random glitches, or features that don't work properly yet. If your iPhone is your main device for work, school, or daily communication, it's usually a better idea to wait for a more stable version. Another important point is compatibility. Not every iPhone supports every new feature in iOS 27. Some of Apple's newest AI-powered tools require newer hardware. So if you're using an older iPhone, you'll still receive the update, but you may not get every single feature Apple demonstrates. That's completely normal. Performance is another thing to consider. 4. Newer iPhones to iOS 27 generally feel smooth and responsive. Apps launch quickly. Animations are fluid and multitasking works very well. On older supported models, performance is still good, but very demanding tasks may feel slightly slower than on Apple's latest devices. Now let's talk about battery life. This is probably the biggest concern for most users. During the first few days after installing any major iOS update, it's normal to notice higher battery usage. That's because your iPhone is indexing files, optimizing photos, and completing background processes. Once everything finishes, battery life usually returns to normal. Another recommendation, always back up your iPhone before updating. You can do this using iCloud or by creating a backup on your Mac or PC. That way, if anything unexpected happens during the installation, your personal data will still be safe. Also, make sure you have enough free storage before starting the update. Large iOS updates require additional space during installation. Deleting unnecessary files beforehand can help the process go much more smoothly. Now, who should update immediately? If you're using the official stable release of iOS 27 and your favorite apps are already compatible, updating is generally a good idea. You'll receive the latest security patches, bug fixes, and new features. But if you're considering a beta version and you rely on your iPhone every day, waiting is usually the smarter choice. Now, let's be honest. Every major iOS update brings exciting new features, but the best experience usually comes after Apple releases a few follow-up updates that fix early bugs. Being patient for a short time can often give you a much smoother experience. So to summarize, before updating to iOS 27, make sure your iPhone is compatible. Back up your data free, up enough storage, expect temporary battery optimization after installation, and avoid beta versions if this is your primary device. Because honestly, updating your iPhone is exciting, but updating at the right time is even better.